Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to my favorite personal massage wand on Amazon. You guys, this one is so good. It is amazing. It's small. It is great to carry with you when you're traveling, and it's just a really, really great product. You're going to want to pick one up. You're going to want to grab one for a friend. It's at a great price too. This is made of really high quality silicone, so it's going to be skin friendly and safe to use all over your body for head to toe relaxation. You guys, there are 8 different speeds and 20 different patterns of vibrations that it does. The battery is long lasting. It lasts up to an hour and a half. And don't worry, it charges quickly and it is rechargeable. So no more searching for batteries out of the remote control. I've done that before. No more of that. It has a USB charging cord, so it's super easy to charge, charges quickly, lasts an hour and a half. So awesome. Speaking of the silicone, that means it's going to be really easy to clean, and it's also waterproof. So you can even use this in the shower. This is just a really, really great wand. You're gonna love it. Get creative with it. Try out, all the different speeds, all the different patterns in the shower, out of the shower, lots of different options for using it. You're really, really gonna enjoy it. Long-lasting battery, and it saves you a ton of money because the battery is rechargeable and you're not constantly having to buy new batteries. Go ahead, put this one in your cart. You're gonna be super, super glad that you did.